Anji Wofeng Furniture Company Limited was established in 2019 and is located in the Chair Industry Incubation Park, Xiaoyuan Street, Anji County, Huzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. Our company prides itself on a highly skilled and experienced R&D and business service team, specializing in product development, manufacturing, and sales as a professional furniture manufacturer. Anji Wofeng Furniture Company Limited boasts substantial financial resources. As a professional supplier of gaming chairs, office chairs, and sofas, we have dedicated teams focused on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and operational management. Our annual production capacity stands at 1 million units. To ensure the delivery of high-quality products and services, we have implemented a modern quality management system that strictly adheres to international standards. All products comply with EU export standards. Additionally, due to our extensive overseas market presence, most of our products have obtained design patents and certifications such as CE, RoHS, FCC, EN 12520, EN 1022, EMC, and LVD. We welcome OEM and ODM orders and are open to new ideas or concepts for product development. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.